Beble, don't say beble. Hey, Ghana for me though. Let me feel him more biao. Next one, oh, you are money, the Mahama, you are muddy.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Nsem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
We are police for we are fire service. Maybe they be who be amabo. Mopa mountains here, but a demonstration. Police for any two social.
No, see your unity bia. Ye buse penny be any munyansa. Oh, I know sometimes ya no use some penny for no. Young guy, when your opportunity we say, me who say F for no. Now nim say e bia obetimi anya sa opposition no. Enti na e man kasa bebre sa no. Ya youth no. Said ye nim penny for kasa. Ye toda ye hu ne say sa akwala anya sika wonim say panyini nim nyansa no wa mobra. Enu nti na bia baby na situation ko nim nyansa no bobra e ka obetra baby na wo no. Nti youth no punya position na susu kasa ne hunu se de wonim panyimfo ebe kasa na adibu ebe man panyimfo. And second one, yes nurses because de omunyina ye you obi disobedient na fia me ha me obia ha me enyo credit e ba akopɛ me ye keka ne say yes obi ankotena fie na obi ankotena fie me mfa ho me ba bi anim me nu anim emfa ha me se na wo hwɛ ye beto aba pa se se de na wo kan se ye sa de na yes nurses egu fie na wo munya adwuma nya efri he fa ne baaye Yetina Ghana, every kwalabremu nyina, every he fan a buy. Even though near to say be university no munye jumanya di. But what is no be a teacher training and that's why we nursing training or tiffy. Sir John Mahame yan a cofa sa situation way. Edibe go hon no mo. Say, what call IMF condition be say, yes, ejumaya for on government workers. And what didn't pan go hon no man a creates our problem nina or no one creates our problem nina or the go hon. And no one no I catch say, Yadrin say, or say Yadrin in Poyede. Say Yadrin what FOMO said. Short memory, yeah, what short memory needs no. And young kai says any power na or creates our problem no go on. Now what person will be a bayan ye. And then young hope one them is the same move by yeah, a bayan ye and cranka canib, a started fair beer maybe a bedrew so. More nurses need teachers training colleges. Ye charm allowance moo. And here for man a big cry a big a boa one more dear non cranka no or multimedia to your fees. No bit me boani de yen I call training college son and near yan cranka because the winning say be near honum and to wunya now would be Tony Manka sing and coupon your dominate postua a big cry will be near be crabbing no up at the ede at the call baby I walk ye jumano. Oh. Yeah, hunu ya dwenya amaye ho so na nyansa bi amaye tim ene ya gensu ye nto ne wo se wo ye memena na adwo anase na wo se wo ye wankasa ho yesi mo nkotena fie me madwo enkame ukotena fie na Nyankopon ye wadom na so wotena fie se 4 years and 8 years next time wadwen na wo form no ebeba uber you can say resetting no ebeka wadwen ma wadwen na reset na next time si ye kanyansa de kire wo a ubetie nyansa bewura wadwen mu nyansa beba wuti mu nyansa next time ukoto aba wohwe wobehunu sa nyansa no wato abapa waba woto ye na esunsunsun aso ene de ama sesi amosimo da sumu ye dum lighter no mahono dokono na madi mo fa dokono a mo hono ye dum lighter no wakofa dokono no wahono na wadi ye nsuma mo da bi ye nsuma obia me say UK na bus pass ye the whole day no ofa na ye £5 something £5 say £5.50 say see I was £10 a day. How many increments ben what they so £10 what we are no so wunim the odi to akatium akatua ye £1 minimum wage £11.45 £11.45 or they call £12 Enye UK na yeti. Eko say 12 pounds. 12 pound or the coin kakra bi yede. Egu so nti me fa so kakra na enu 1 pound. But bus fare or 2 mo what mo say. Esu so bi ati mo manage sa. Uko shop sesia, uko shop a milk kakra na ye tono se 30p ni ye no. Se e ya ko 1 pound. E ya ko 1 pound. Enti wiase no be bia ye din. Be bia ni ho no ma eda form. Be bia e ko nanim, be bia e ko soro. Bibia and then we 100 pounds say first me nko na metie me yi 50 pounds me di dwagu ho no mo boso me baako and na me to aduane a onye obi a me kwa me no aduane 2 weeks no 100 pounds kwa wo di dwa nko anipa baako fo no enye dai enso wo be bi a week bi a be so be to fruit bi ni man kakra bi sai sika no nipa baako fo kwa yi 100 pounds to ho no mo boso me baako enye dai enso chese bibia e ko nanim bibia e ko nanim bibia e ko nanim entinya Ghana nko na aye din abroso a Ghana nko na aye din abroso a yenya bibi ni adokno ye gina dokno so e de to aba ye gina dokno so dokno de sesi aba 1 cedi nana Dokono na yese ne boa ye din na anu ntina ye mpe no ye aba 1 cedi na me bompa yese free education ni nyina o mu betwamu ye twamu wi na ye hiafo na ye ntimi ntua ye ma school fees na Nyankopon na mo obi so na ye na anka ne ye ne dida so se betimi di ye ma akọ ye nsu ye timi di ye ma aduru ba bi no me ba wie ye sisi a wa wie e chinya bo akwa no ye graduation wo Legon we money first batch or movie, you can't say free education. No, at Chinyambuan, we ye graduation or Legon. Because I'm a baby any honuma, a be a make say, or because free education nibium. A be a yanko do that time you can be a woman more, can met me as well, meaning I every one, Mrs. What's a honum near doom lighter, and you are no one who no docuna money, Yamenka and I home, bye bye.
Labet. Two for cry na dem me bu mu ase so two for who 2 for cry me en kan cho se e dey ye be man na kansa bodu aba be di e be ye dey Council of State now me say unni 1 year asema make mo market onnu 1 year because kan nim kwase wa busa man point ma ene man point ne o me 2 for wa o maso no me sha obo enche oberesign aduma no su bediu me ye NDC aduma ho because atreji ultimi fa president mama ko betena wa wano ko timi nyesa aduma no ye die ni die ma ya hemfo ye die eni die e de ma wo mo ubetwa to se na onu na kasa bodu wokọ bi a ye to aba na wote wo wonim etu se na nim obi a wo hu wo se enye ono udi boys ni begu wa udwane ye no mo na enim se una de boys de bae na asha da yi wo ni dwane ye that's a voice